The time has finally come. The first new Ferrari models from Hot Wheels have been leaked in the last few days. You can look forward to the following Ferrari models this year, 2025. Let's start with the Ferrari SF90. This model has never been released by Hot Wheels before. This is because Hot Wheels has not produced any Hot Wheels Ferrari since the end of 2013. In the meantime, between 2014 and 2025, a lot of new Ferrari models have come out, as well, as we all know. The perfect opportunity for Hot Wheels to provide us collectors with cool 1/64 scale models in the future, such as the SF90, soon available as a mainliner model in Mix J. This will be one of the first Hot Wheels models we can buy in stores. We continue with the Ferrari 365 GTB4 Competizione, another model that we can buy as a mainliner, making it one of the cheapest ways to buy a Ferrari from Hot Wheels. Previously, we were able to collect the Ferrari 365 as the Daytona from Hot Wheels in various colors. This one differs mainly in the front, a great car with timeless design. So far, all the announced models come in red. The third Ferrari mainline model will be the Ferrari F40 as an even more radical variant. Also a new model, as Hot Wheels had previously only released the normal F40. The Competizione has a larger front splitter and more striking details on the spoiler compared to the normal F40 version. Unlike its predecessor, the bonnet cannot be opened, although this was no longer the case with the F40 later on as well. The LaFerrari was announced for the premium section. As we mentioned in our previous special video on the subject of Ferrari, the LaFerrari is being recast. In other words, we finally have side mirrors and the proportions fit better. Above all, the wheel arches and wheel sizes are finally equal. We can say the same for the second premium model, the Ferrari F50. Here as well, the proportions have been improved compared to its predecessor, mirrors have been added, and the same wheel sizes have been taken into account. The third model is the Ferrari 499P, a 24 hours endurance racing car that has already made history. This model comes in the official racing livery, but is also the first chase model to be completely black with the number 0 of 5. The first team transporter was also announced, a Ferrari 250 GTO, which has been improved in terms of design as well, comes together with the Fiat 642 Bartoletti, an iconic duo, as the transporter in particular transported the Formula One cars of the time in the 1950s and 1960s. And the last of the bunch, and probably the most expensive, the special collector's set from Mattel Creations, which you could order for $100 online this week. It includes the Ferrari 499P in a special paint finish with removable bonnet, and the Ferrari 312P in retro style. The 312P marks the moment in 1969 when Hot Wheels released the first Ferrari, and now it all starts again with the 499P. We will present this set to you in more detail on this channel and reveal whether the purchase was worthwhile or whether we made a mistake. Stay tuned. Which model are you most looking forward to? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell so that you don't miss any more videos. Cheers!